In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics. By the end, your ad clicks and user behavior data will be connected, so you can see what happens after someone clicks your ads, build better audiences, and make smarter budget decisions. Start by opening your Google Ads account in a desktop browser. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that has access to the Google Analytics property you want to link. Using the same login with sufficient permissions in both products helps the link appear immediately and prevents access errors later. Once you're in Google Ads, look to the top menu for the wrench icon labeled Tools and Settings. Click that to open the admin panel. This is where Google keeps core setup features. In the menu that appears, find the section called Data Manager. If your layout looks slightly different, it's usually grouped with other setup options. Click Data Manager to continue. Inside Data Manager, choose Google Analytics. This page is designed to show you the analytics properties that can be linked to your ads account. If you don't see the property you expect, double-check that you have at least editor access in Analytics and that you're in the correct Google Ads account. Switching the account drop-down in the top right of Google Ads often resolves mismatches if you manage multiple accounts. You'll now see a list of available Google Analytics properties. Select the property or properties you want to connect. Choosing the correct one is important, especially if your organization uses separate properties for different websites or apps. If you're unsure, match the property name and measurement details to the site you advertise. After selecting your property, configure the settings shown. These options typically control whether Google Ads can use analytics data for reporting and audience building, and whether signals are enabled for ads personalization. Turn on the features that align with your policies and goals. For example, enabling remarketing allows you to create analytics audiences and use them in your campaigns, while enabling data sharing improves attribution and path to conversion insights. Review the descriptions on the page to confirm what each toggle does and make sure they match your compliance requirements. When everything looks right, submit your changes to finalize the link. The connection usually takes effect quickly. From here, you'll notice richer reporting in both platforms. In Google Ads, metrics sourced from Analytics can appear in your columns and Audience Manager. In Analytics, you'll see Google Ads dimensions in acquisition reports for deeper performance analysis. That's it. You've successfully linked Google Ads to Google Analytics, setting the stage for clearer insights and more effective optimizations.